Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code RDK-03003 Titan Coax Reboot and Refresh Signal. Fix 1. Check for service outages. Before adjusting any hardware, check if Xfinity is experiencing maintenance or a network outage in your area. Check online via the Xfinity Status Center. Alternatively, log in to the free Xfinity app on your smartphone to view outage updates and receive real-time support. Fix 2 is to tighten the cable connections. First, check the coaxial cable. Ensure the screw-on cable connecting the wall to the back of your TV box is finger tight. Also check if the cable is connecting tightly to your modem or router. Inspect for damage. Check for any bent pins, kinks, or tears along the length of the cable. Fix 3. Bypass the splitter. If you use a coaxial splitter to share the connection between your modem and TV box, it may be faulty or degrading the signal. Temporarily disconnect the splitter and screw the coaxial cable directly from the wall into the back of your X1 TV box. If the error disappears, you may need to replace the splitter. Fix 4. Power cycle your equipment. A full system restart will often clear temporary network errors. Unplug the power cord from the back of your TV box or pull the plug from the wall, then wait for 60 seconds and then plug the power cable back in. Allow the box 2 to 5 minutes to fully boot up and re-establish a connection to the network. Fix 5. Refresh your TV box signal. Use your remote to navigate to the Help or Settings menu. Then look for an option like System Refresh or Restart TV Box and select it. And you can also use the Xfinity My Account app to run a remote device health check and send a signal refresh. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.